Gift cards are a great way to boost sales and increase brand awareness. The Cardknox Merchant Portal gives you the ability to issue and redeem gift cards as well as quickly generate gift card reporting, delivering key metrics on active and inactive gift cards. To issue a gift card, start by navigating to the Transactions tab. Select New Transaction and complete the necessary customer information. Enter the amount you'd like to load on the gift card and select Gift Issue. Next, enter the gift card number and the customer's email address, then click Process. The process for redeeming a gift card is very similar. Follow the same steps of adding a new transaction, but this time, enter the amount to be redeemed. For transaction type, select Gift Redeem. Enter the gift card number and click Process. The Gift Report tab includes 3 reports to help you track and manage your gift cards all on one page: Activity, Summary, and Liability. Navigate between reports by clicking the toggle through report titles. The Activity report shows the last 90 days of data by default and displays a list of all gift cards in your database. You can easily change the date range using the options provided or select a custom date range. Type a gift card number and press Enter to search by gift card number. You may also use the advanced filtering options to narrow down your search. Similarly, you can search for gift cards that meet your specific criteria by typing in your data points in the column fields. Click on any gift card number to view a breakdown of the activity. You can also enter the gift card number to display the remaining gift card balance. Next, choose to export this report to a CSV file or print it. The downloaded file can be opened in your preferred spreadsheet application for further analysis or editing. The Summary report displays summary gift card information by date and location, which is especially useful for merchants who need reporting for multiple stores or websites. The Location column displays the branch location of the business, while the Transaction count displays the number of transactions at this branch. Total Amount displays the total gift card amount for this location, and Parent Location displays the parent company name. The Liability report gives you insight into the remaining balances of the gift cards you have issued. Here you'll see a list of all gift cards and their individual remaining balances, with the total remaining balance displayed on the bottom right of the screen. Enter specific parameters to search for all the gift cards that meet your requirements. Then simply export this report to conduct further analysis using your preferred spreadsheet application. Cardknox is glad to help you with your gift card reporting and printing needs. Contact us for more information. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos on how to use the Cardknox Merchant Portal or visit the Cardknox Knowledge Base. Need one-on-one support? Our friendly team of support experts is only a phone call away. Let us know how we can help.